All right, and we're back. And first, the good thing is I'm out of the hospital finally. I was in there for about a month and it sucked. But I'm feeling a bit better now. And this happens to be my 100th video, so I decided to get a full box this time. So we're guaranteed an autograph. It is 2013 Bowman Chrome, like we've been collecting. And this box has 18 packs, and I believe there's 5 cards per pack. 4. As I was reminded. Every third box has another autograph, so maybe we'll get lucky. Let's get all these out first. Alright, here we go. Ooh, look at that card. Hechavarria, Jose Pereza, Juliet Hahn, and Robinson Cano going to the Mariners. Oof. I don't know. About that one. Second back, Wing Chen, Zach Eflin, Rafael Montero, and Yoenis Cespedes. Ben Zobrist, Henry Owens, something Rosa, and Joey Bats. Eric Cosner. Oh, we got Blue Refractor of Justin Upton, number 137 out of 250, and Striker Tehran. Chase Headley, Miguel Almonte, Ryan Court, and Tommy Malone. Got David Holmberg, Berta Maya. Got a refractor of Justin Marja and Will Myers rookie. Nice. What is that? Yonder Alonso. Oh shit. A Robinson Cano super fractor. Holy shit. Check that out, 101.
Oh my god.
That is awesome. Holy shit. Wow, that's my first super fractor that I've ever pulled. Wow. And Mike Piazza. Holy shit, look at that. That's awesome. Just talking about the guy too. Wow. And we still haven't even hit the autograph yet. Oh. We got a purple Curtis Granderson. All these guys are leaving the Yankees. That's number 185 out of 199. Wilfredo Rodriguez and Jason Mott. Holy shit. That's awesome. Starlin Marte, Jinji Jang. Got another reprint of Jimmy Rollins and Addison Russell. Wow. That's cool. Got Desmond Jennings, Carlos Tochi, got a refractor of Dylan Cousins, and Matt Curry. Still to that auto. Got a Jorge Polanco, got a mini of Jock Peterson. That's our second one like that, Chris Stratton. And Josh Reddick. Paul Goldschmidt, got a Tyrone Taylor, Mitch Brown, and a rookie of Bruce Rondon. Jordan Zimmerman, Derek Jones, Mac Williamson, and Aaron Hill. Dexter Fowler just got traded. Justin Geiger, got a refractor of Adam Jones, and Rafael Del Paula. Troy Tulowitzki, Marco Hernandez. Got an autograph of Rafael Montero. Nice looking autograph. Looks pretty clean. And Derek Jeter. Patrick Leonard. Got a Giancarlo Stanton refractor. Alexis Rivera. And Brandon Maurer. Rookie. Last 2 packs. At Harrison. Max Fried. RJ Alvarez. And Jesus Montero. And last pack. Tyler Skaggs. Jack Letheridge, I think. Jeremy Baltz. And Lance Lynn. All right. Thank you.